Hello everyone. So this is a last round from this one in women's Swiss here from this one and in this analyze of these games here in Norway Chess 2025 last round. Round number 10. So it means last round of this game from this women's Swiss. So after that, so these are the realize here from this one. So rotation interchanged by whites and blacks here from this one. So it means and also today's round number 10 from this long game within 2 hours of these games here from this one. So it means round robin 2 hours from these games. And also have between from this international master in Spain in Sara Candem versus the grandmaster in China Lei Tingji here from this one. So 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 it means before of this analyze of these games here so let's see to these are my picture from this graduation picture from this one. So let's see the pictures here. So this is me from this one. So it means I graduate from this last June 7. So I'm finishing from this college in Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. So it means I'm finishing in this school from the studies from this college. So after graduation, I will apply from this job interview from this soon from this one. So it means I will start by work from this one in this company here from this one. So so it means in this round number 10 here from this last round from these games in this part of this video, you have analyzed here of these chess games in this last round women's Swiss Norway chess. So white plays Sarah is d4, d6 lay. So it means without d6, knight f3, and also knight f6 is called torta cover variation defense. So what is that mean from this one? So it's called watchtower or maybe guard tower. So it means guard tower or watchtower here from this one. So it means it's called torta cover variation defense here from this one. And also g3 by Sarah here from this one, and also g6 by Lei. So it means without g6 or moving by bishop to g7 upcoming castling, or whites by moving by bishop g3 upcoming castling from this one. c4 by Sarah, and also bishop f5. So it means without bishop to f5, or maybe the realize here from this one, or maybe by bishop here from this connecting here from this one. Bishop g2 by Sarah by ready by castling, king side by here, or right side here by castling by this one. Bishop g7 by Lei, upcoming by castling, king side, right side here from this one. So it means determinations by controls here. Knight c3 by Sarah, knight to e4 with a jumping by Lei with the strongest move, or maybe without strongest by determinations here from this one. Queen b3 without queen b3 by Sarah, or without tempos attacks by pawns by b7, or maybe b7 by tempos attacks here from this one. Knight takes captured, good move by Lei, captured without capturing by knights here, and pawn takes knight. Bishop e4 by Lei, or maybe develops by pawns. And castling by Sarah from this one. Castle kingside by Lei, and a4 without a4 by moving by forwards, so to controls by determinations by Sarah Candem here from this one. Knight c6 by Lei, or maybe determinations here, and also a5 without move forward to push by Sarah Candem here. b6 by Lei Tingji, and captured without opening, without rook to rooks, or same by rook to rooks here by develops here from this one. And also bishop to e3 and rook a5. So it means none of this booklet. So it means this is a novelty by Lei of these games. So these are the good novelty is rook takes accepted from this one. Rook takes captured accepted here from this one. So it means novelty by, we need to rook takes accepted by captured here from this one. So it means determinations. So the novelty is rook a5 by letting g, or determinations, or maybe without determination by time controls here from this one. And rook takes captured, knight takes captured with a threats by tempos attacks by queens, or threatening by queens, tempos attacks by queens here, or maybe without tempos attacks by queens here from this one. Queen b5 by Sarah, and c6. Is that sacrifice? Oh, the answer is no. So it means without no sacrifice here, or maybe without threats by queens here, or tempos attacks here from this one. And also queen a4, c5 by Lei without captured by pawns, and knight d2. So the realized by Sarah Kandem, or threats by tempos attacks by bishop, or maybe without tempos attacks by bishop, or the realized to move forward to knight to b3. Oh my god, so it means without knight b3 here, or determinations here from this one. So it means these are controls or determinations here, or determinations by connecting by knights here. And bishop to f5. So it means bishop to f5. For example, in accept, why don't we bishop takes captured? Oh, no. Oh, bishop takes captured. Sorry. So it means bishop takes g2, or maybe bishop takes g2. So it means, so why don't we try bishop takes g2 here from this one, and king takes bishop. So it means the realize or determination. So it means these are the slightly betters from whites and blacks here from this one. So back there is bishop f5 with a backwards with letting g here from this one. Rook a1 without behinds by queen. So queen behinds the rook. So determination. So it means without queens or rooks, without doubles. And queen c7 by Lei. Rook c1, go back. So it means developed by pawns. Or maybe without developed by pawns by rook. So it means rook behind the pawn. So it means without rook behind the pawns here from this one. And also rook c8 without queen. Queen behind the rook. So it means that, so this is a correct from these moves here from this one. Bishop d5, h5. So it means without h5 by letting g, or strongest move. And also h4, bishop g4 with a tempos attacks by pawns by e2, and king f1 develops by pawns, and bishop d7 with the tempos attacks or threats by queens. So these are the threats by queens by tempos attacks by queens here from this one. And queen a2, knight c6. So it means without knight c6 here, or controls or determinations or connecting here from this one. Queen b2, bishop f5. So it means without bishop to f5, or they realize three diagonals by this one. So it means diagonals. And also rook a1, knight a5 by Lei, or determinations. So it means we need to develop here. And rook c1. So it means without rook c1. So it means does not want of this computer engine from this Sarah Kandem. So it means bad move. So the best moves there is queen to a3. So it means queen to a3 here from this one. So it means develops by bishop, queen, sorry. So it means queen here. Or maybe without queens develops here. Or maybe queen behind the rook. So it means queen a3 is the best moves. So back there is rook c1 and bishop f6. So it means error move by Lei. So the best moves there is one is e6. So it means without a6 tempos attacks by bishop. So it means realize is bishop to move bishop to f3. So it means slightly betters from whites and blacks. So it means goods whites and blacks here from this one. So it means determinations here from this one. So back there is bishop f6 by Lei G, and bishop f4, rook b8 by Lei. So it means without the realize here, or without pin, or maybe without pin by queens here from this one. So it means determinations here from this one by connecting by rooks. King g1, bishop d7, knight e4. So it means without threatening tempos attacks or threatening bishop. So tempos attacks or determination. So they realize to move forward here from this one. And also bishop backwards g7 by Lei, and queen a3 without go back, or realize queen a3 here from this one. Bishop f5 with the threats by knights, captured, and also knight takes captured. Rook c8 without queen behind the rooks, or tempos attacks by knights here from this one. Knight a6 without threats by queen, tempos attacks by queen, or maybe without the bulbs here from this one, or tempos attacks or targets attacks by queen. Queen b6 by Lei G here, and also knight b4. So it means without knight b4, without defense, or maybe without develops here from this one. And also e6 without threats by bishop, bishop g2, knight takes captured without tempos attacks by queens or threats by queens here from this one. So it means tempos attacks from this one, need more careful. Queen a4 by Sara, d5 by Lei. So it means without d5, without controls here. Knight d3. So it means without knight d3 by Lei, or realize 2, or maybe without, I don't know what knight d3 or develops here from this one. So it means knight d3. And also bishop f6 without doubles by bishop, or maybe without doubles, or maybe without doubles by bishops here from this one. And also queen b4 without queen to queens by develops here, and queen a7 avoided by Lei. So for example, so why don't we queen takes captured? So realize, what do you think from this one? And knight takes queen. Oh, knight takes b4. So it means another. So in a realize here, why don't we queen takes captured and pawn takes queen? These are the evaluation bar. Slightly evaluation bar here from this one. So it means determinations here from this one. So let's go back is queen a7 here, and also bishop g5. So it means blunderatious by Sara Candem from this one. So it means blunderatious. So it means double question mark. So the best moves there is queen backwards b3. So it means queen backwards b3 if you move by here. So I don't know queen b3 here from this one. So if you move by, so it means queen b3. I don't know what you think is one. So it means queen b3 is the best moves. So never mind of this evaluation bars here. So it means queen b3 is the best moves. So back there is one is bishop g5 by Sara. So it means blunderatious by bishop. So it means white pieces here, and also bishop avoided g7. So it means another error move by Lei. So the best moves there is bishop takes captured accepted. So it means bishop takes g5 if you h takes g5 here from this one, and also rook b8. So it means rook b8 without tempos attacks by queens or the diagonals here from this one. So what do you think if you move here, and also queen to c5, queen to queen? So if you queen takes accepted here from this one, and knight takes queen. So it means slightly better from whites and blacks here from this one. So it means good examples from this one. So back there is one is bishop to g7 by Lei G, and also rook b1. So it means bad move, another bad move by Sara Candem. So the best moves there is queen b3 here, queen b3 again. So it means best moves here. Queen b3 is the best moves. So back there is one is rook b1, and also knight to e5 with the tempos attacks by knights here, and bishop e3. Oh, so it means bishop e3. So it means bishop e3. Uh, okay. So it means bishop a3 here. So it means bishop to e3 without threatening by queens. Temples attacks by queens. So it means bishop takes. I mean bishop e3. So it means bishop e3 temples attacks by threats by queens here from this one. And also knight takes d3. So it means bad move by Lei without threatening by queens, or maybe here to bishop threats by queens. So it means bad move by Lei Tingqi here from this one. So the best moves there is one is queen to c7. So it means, so queen to c7 here from this one. So it means determinations by controls here from this queens behind the rooks here, or maybe focusing by controls here from this one. So back there, this one is knight takes d3 by Lei Tingqi without tempos attacks by queens, or without starting by knights by threats by queens, or the bishop started tempos attacks by queens here from this one. So it means tempos attacks from this one. It is develops here from this one, and pawn takes knight. So it means error move by Sarah Kandem. So it means mismove. Oh, mismove here from this one. So the best moves there, the one's computer is one is so what's the best moves there is so the one's computer, so the best moves there is this one is knight takes captured. oh bishop takes a7. So it means bishop takes a7 is the best moves. Bishop takes a7 if your knight takes captured, and also rook takes captured, and rook takes pawn. So it means with a slightly better from goods from whites and blacks here from this one. So I'm sorry I got this mouse is I cannot see this up to the best moves it is in this one from analyzing from these games here. So I'm sorry I got forgetting my brains here from this one. So I realize here. So back there, this one is pawn takes knight here, and also queen e6, queen a6, sorry. So it means queen a6. So it means another arrow move again by Lei. So it means another arrow move. So the best moves once computer is bishop takes captured free pawns. So it means bishop takes capture free pawns here from this one. So it means free pawns we need to capture. So back there is queen a6 by Lei Tingqi, and queen e7 without good move by Sarah Kandem, or determinations here from this one. So it means without determinations, or the realized is great move here from this one. Queen takes captured with idea to targets by rooks. Without tempos attacks by rooks, or determinations from this without targets attacks threats by rooks here from this one. And also rook b7 without another good move by Sarah Kandem from this one. So it means another good move by Sarah Kandem here from this one without good move. Determinations here. And also rook f8. So it means without rook f8 by Lei Tingqi here from this one. Queen c7 by Sarah, and queen takes captured without queen to queen, and bishop c5, another good move again by Sarah Kandem, or the realized attacks by tempos attacks by rooks. So it means threats by rooks here from this one. And also queen e1 check, and also king h2, bishop e4. So it means without bishop to bishop. So it means blunderatious by Lei Tingqi. So it means blunderatious. So the best moves there is one. So the best moves, the one's computer is queen to e5. So it is queen to e5 without accepting queen to queen. If your queen takes accepted, this one, and also bishop takes captured. So it means these are the slightly betters from whites and blacks. So it means wins for black by Lei Tingqi. So it means, or maybe maybe slightly better goods from whites and blacks here from this one. So I'm sorry I got sore throat from these problems here, from this one, so it means problem my sore throat. So back there, this one is, so back there is bishop to c4, blunder ratios by Leighton G, and bishop takes captured, so it means another error move by Sarah Kandem. So the best moves once computer is f3 here. So that threats by bishop, so it either realized to bishop backwards f5. So it means determination, so slightly better from this one from whites and blacks. So back there, this one is bishop takes captured and pawn takes bishop, king g2 by Sarah Kandem. So it means after king g2, so the realize the puzzle. So what do you think idea to the best by finding new brilliant sacrifice move by Grandmaster Leighton G in China. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Queen e2, brilliant move by Grandmaster Leighton G. So it means sacrifice move or with idea to bishop tempos attacks by rook. Or maybe without tempos attacks from this one. So it means without tempos attacks from this one. So it means Queen e2, brilliant move by sacrifice by Leighton G here from this one. And also Sarah Kandem, bishop takes rook. And also Queen f3 check, good move by Leighton G, without great move by Leighton G here from this one. King g1, bishop takes captured, and also rook b8 without controls here from this one. e3 by Leighton G and Queen e7. What a sacrifice move by Sarah Kandem, or sacrifice. So it means bishop cannot move by captured by queen. So these are the targets by rook by check. So these are the checks here from this one. So it means check. So it means Queen e7. Let's continue Queen e7 here and capture this pawn. And also King f1, good move by Sarah. Queen d3 check, and also King takes captured. Queen c2 check. King f3. Queen c6 check. So it means without Queen c6 check here from this one. King f2 check. King f3. King b3. Oh my god. Queen b3 check. Queen b3. Why don't we move Queen c3 check? So it means Queen c3 check if you King f2, or maybe Queen c2 check, and also King f3 and also Queen d1. So it means examples here from this one. So let's go back here. So let's go back by Queen b3 check. So is that brilliant move by Leighton G? So it means brilliant move. And rook takes queen. Bishop takes queen. So it means rook by Sarah Kandem and bishop by Leighton G. So it means rook versus bishop from this one. So it means the problems the pawn. So it means 2 pawns by Sarah Kandem and 4 pawns by Leighton G. So it means wins for Leighton G from these black pieces. So it means 2 versus 4. So let's continue is bishop takes e7, rook b6, king g7, king e4, bishop c5, tempos attacks by rooks, rook c6 with a threats by bishop f2, king f3, tempos attacks by bishop e1, rook c1, threatening by bishop d2, threats by rooks, rook c2, threats again by bishop b4, rook c6, and king f6 without kings must be active by Leighton G, king e4, bishop e1 without threats by pawns by g3, king f4 without develops by pawns, bishop d2 check, king e4, bishop a5, without bishop to a5 here, king f4, king e7, or realize to, with idea to move by king to d7 without tempos attacks by rooks. So it means without determinations by targets. g4, bishop d2 check, king f3, bishop e1, without bishop to e1 by lating g, rook c5, f5. So it means without f5 here, and rook c7 check! Another blunderations! Another blunderations by Sarah Condemned. So it means another blunderations. So the best moves there is capture this pawn. So it means g takes f5. If you capture this, g takes f5 and rook c7 check. So it means these are the best correct. So it means the realized by easy here from this one. So it means very easy. Oh, so it means very easy here from this one. So it means very easy. So back there is rook c7 check and also king d6. So the best moves there is king to d8 with the tempos attacks by rooks. So it means tempos attacks. So let's go back here. Here is king d6 and also rook h7 with a great move by Sarah Condemned. Captured, check, king e2, bishop g3. Oh, bishop to g3 here and rook h6. So it means bad move. So the best moves there is rook h8. So it means rook h8 here from this one. So we need to fast as you can. So let's go back rook h6 and king e7. Good move by lating g. Rook takes captured, bishop takes captured, and also king d3. So it means no more pawns by Sarah Condemned from this one. So it means three pawns against by only by lating g here from this one. So it means these are controls here from this one, and bishop to f6, king e2, e5. So it means without e5 here from this one, and also rook g8. Oh, so it means rook to g8. So it means rook g8 here from this one. So it means rook g8. And also king f7 with the tempos attacks by rooks. Rook b8, king g6, and also rook g8 check, king f7, tempos attacks by rooks. And also rook b8, bishop g5, rook b6, e4. Oh, so it means upcoming here from this one. So it means these are upcoming from this one. Rook e4, king f6, rook a4, king e5, check, king f4 with a tempos, or maybe king must be active from this one. King f2, bishop f6, king g2, bishop d4, rook d5. So it means 91 move from this one. So it means fasting as you can. Bishop c3, rook c5, bishop d2. So it means without bishop d2 or upcoming by promotes by e3 or e2. Sorry, I got drunk. So it means drunk here from this one. So upcoming by promotes by queens or develops here from this one. Rook c8, e3. Oh my god, upcoming by promotes or pushes here from this one, or maybe e2 or promotes queen. Rook e8, bishop c3, rook e7. Oh, rook e7 here, and also bishop d4, or maybe develops by pawns. Rook e8, bishop c5, rook e6, king g5. Oh, without develops. Rook e8. Oh, repeating by draw. So it means without repeating. Draw here. Bishop d4. Repeat. Check. King h4. Rook f8. Or maybe without threats by pawns by f5 from this one. So it means 100 move from this one. e2. Rook E8 without tempos attacks by pawns or threats by pawns here, and F4, good move by Lei Tingqi here from this one. Rook E4, or with idea 2, threats by bishop or pawns. So it means without pawns here from this one. And check. King H2, and the last shot from this one in this winning from this one is Bishop F2. So it means resigned by Sarah Kandem. So why she resigns? Because if you move by here by rook takes captured, sacrifice, and also f takes captured rook, if you king g2 and e1 queen, that means fatal. So lose by whites by here from this one. So it means wins for black. So it means the score from this white pieces 84.5 by Sarah Kandem, and score from black pieces 87.5 by Lei Tingqi. So it means the winner from this one, from this last round, Grandmaster Lei Tingqi. So it means Lei Tingqi is a second place by silver medals here from this one. Congratulations, Grandmaster Lei Tingqi here from this one. So it means the winner of this champion from this one in this Women's Swiss in Norway Chess 2025, Grandmaster in Ukraine, Anna Musichuk here from this one. So it means it means the second place by silver medals from this one. So it means Grandmaster in China, Lei Tingqi. So it means second place here from this one. So the bronze medal, the third place from this one in this bronze medal from this third place is the Grandmaster in India, is Hampi Coneros. So it means congratulations of this top 3 from this one. So after this one, so next the last Armageddon stand. So it means between from this one Grandmaster Arjun Erigaisi versus the Grandmaster in Magnus Carlsen. So I will analyze here from soon. I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.